Okay, so I saved the Chatterpix file to my photo album, and I'm going to open up that audio file. I could play it, but I'm going to publish this to YouTube. On your screen, you're going to tap the box arrow out icon, and then we're going to tap the YouTube channel icon. And I'm going to log out just so you can see this, and then you can figure out how to do this on your own. The email for our YouTube channel for publishing is lflpublished, spell that right, wawmsd.org, and the password is GO, capital G, GOLIONS 1, 2, 3, and that is on your center information. You're going to say allow to everything, and then here, this is super important. Always when you're publishing to YouTube, you need to give this a title. So Chatterpix, and then I would like you to say your last name. And you can say, how about let's give a date. So today is 2/20. All right, you're going to come down here, change this comedy to education. You're going to check public, and then you can see here that I have this published to the Longfellow YouTube channel. That's exactly what we want. You're going to tap published. And it'll take a couple of seconds, and bam, you'll see view on YouTube, tell a friend, or cancel. Of course, you're going to say either view on YouTube is what your choice is going to be. Simple as that.